Welcome to Hot Spot. Today, we're talking about fashion tips for both men and women. We know that fashion can be a bit tricky sometimes, but don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll be sharing some of our top tips for creating fashionable outfits that will make you look and feel amazing. So let's get started. Number 1. The basics. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Every wardrobe needs some key pieces that will serve as the foundation for all of your outfits. For women, this could be a little black dress or a classic white blouse. For men, it could be a well-tailored suit or a good pair of jeans. These items are versatile and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Number 2. Accessories. Accessories are an easy way to add some flair to any outfit. For women, statement jewelry, scarves, and handbags are great options. For men, try adding a nice watch or some stylish cufflinks to elevate your look. Don't be afraid to experiment with different accessories to find what works for you. Number 3. Colors and patterns. Colors and patterns can be a bit intimidating, but they're a great way to make your outfit stand out. For women, try pairing a bright top with a neutral bottom for a pop of color. For men, adding a patterned shirt or tie can make a big difference. Just remember to balance bold pieces with more subdued ones to avoid looking too busy. Number 4. Layering. Layering is a great way to add dimension and interest to your outfit. For women, try layering a blazer or jacket over your top. For men, a sweater or cardigan can add some depth to your outfit. Just be mindful of proportions, you don't want to add too much bulk to your look. Number 5. Shoes. Finally, let's talk about shoes. Shoes can make or break an outfit, so it's important to choose the right pair. For women, a classic pair of pumps or ankle boots can take your outfit to the next level. For men, a nice pair of dress shoes or loafers can complete your look. Just make sure your shoes match the formality of your outfit. And there you have it, our top fashion tips for both men and women. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself and feeling confident in your own skin. So don't be afraid to try new things and have fun with your outfits. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more fashion tips and tricks from Hot Spot.